What's up everybody, it's MJ100K. Today I'm doing a giveaway because I'm too lazy to make a real video and I'm still working on my next video. So I'm going to give y'all some stuff, or one of y'all some stuff. Here, just look at my bathroom, I love it. It's turning out pretty good. So here you go. Alright, without further ado, these are the tools I'm giving away. They are used, but not used very much. This drill, I hardly ever used it. I think I used it like 2-3 times. But it's still working just fine. Comes with the charger, little Bosch mini drill. Good for small projects around the house. Speed square, oh my gosh. Speed square. It's a little messy, but it still works. Oy! It comes with the bag and some smoke lens, safety glasses in case you want to be Mr. Cool or Mrs. Cool. Hammer. I don't even remember where I got this, but it works. It has some nail pullers. I like to use these to pull nails, believe it or not. So there you go. Those are the tools. Here, I wrote some stuff down. Hold on. What do you need to do to get these tools? All you have to do is be the first person to comment on this video. I used to put a lot of different stipulations and things on contests, and ain't nobody got time for that apparently. So all you gotta do is comment and say, yeah, I want it. And you know, I mean, comment if you're really gonna use them. Don't just get them just to look at them. Tools need to be used, okay? So if you're gonna use them and you want them, just put it in the comment. I want it. That's all you have to do. This is why you should have your notification bell on, because sometimes I'll do giveaways, sometimes they're my old tools, or sometimes there'll be new tools, or whatever. Decided I'm going to keep this channel only about fixing stuff and tools, fixing house stuff and car stuff. So that's what this channel is going to be about. I got a lot of political opinions about everything, but I decided to keep this channel just about that. If I ever do those type of videos, they're going to be on a different channel. I feel like people come to these type of things to escape all of that. So we're not going to talk about that kind of stuff here. We're all together, banded together in fixing stuff. Car stuff and house stuff, and maybe even some other type of stuff in the future. Who knows? Whatever stuff needs to be fixed will be fixed. So anyway, the only stipulation is if you have already won a prize this year, then you can't win again until next calendar year. So I only had one other giveaway this year, I think. So that's the only one person that can't win. But you could win next year. So give somebody else a chance. I know you're probably fixing stuff too. So everybody's going to be fixing stuff very soon. So yeah, just put a comment if you want it. I'll see your comment, and then I'll put my email address underneath your comment. And all you have to do is email me your address at that point, and then I'll just send you this. People in the continental U.S. only are able to do this, because it's going to cost me a whole bunch of money to ship this thing to Russia. So nobody outside the United States, continental U.S., and that means Alaska and Hawaii, unfortunately, you cannot win. Oh, and just for the record, there's a whole bunch of rules with contests. So for legal reasons, all I'm going to say is I may or may not do this, okay? I may or may not do this. The chances of me not doing this are 0.0001, and the chances of me doing it are 99.999. So those are your chances. Oh, and once you win, can you please send me a pic of yourself with the tool so people will know that I'm not just sending this to my friends? Well, I guess you still won't know, but you just have to take my word for it. If you don't want to put your picture in there with your tool, just put a picture of yourself holding your tool to the sky with greatness and all the baller status that the tool will give you in the future. What else did I want to say? I got notes here. So yeah, so send me a pic. Oh, and one more thing. If you do put in the comments, like I got a lot of new subscribers, and old subscribers, can you please just put why you subscribed, like what video, like, or videos made you want to subscribe? I'm just curious. You don't even have to put that, but if you could, if you don't mind, I wouldn't mind hearing. And even if you don't win, I don't mind hearing why, which video made you subscribe, because I have no idea. Sometimes I spend 1,000,000 hours on a video and nobody watches it. In some videos I'll spend 10 minutes and then a whole bunch of people watching. So I'm just curious. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And we're going to have lots of fun fixing stuff. And have a good one.